it. Yeah, you can do it.
We can fly the rope over that branch above our nest.
Are you walking? Is that how you walk now? You gonna go outside that way? What a good girl. Lumen, you're a traveler.